We'll start with the mustard R30, size 12 dry fly hook, some pale yellow thread. We want a nice slender body on this sulphur dun. Go back to about there. Then what we need is some speckled light ginger cocktail. Just a little bunch. Want a nice long tail on this. Just put a couple of turns in to hold that in position. That's good. We want it to flare. And then we'll go back, not all the way, to about there. Keep the body slender. I want a long yellow dyed turkey biot. I'll go back like this. Then we can go under the tail to flare it like so, and then we can go back up the body. I'll just flatten my thread first. Back up the body to about there, and we'll just trim off the surplus cocktail. Hackle plier on our biot, and what we want is a nice segmented slim body up to the thorax. Just move that tying thread a little forward. Put the last turn in there, and then I'll go around the back and secure that. Like so. Take our scissors. Don't worry about tidying this up too much because it'll be under the dubbing. So we go back just a little bit, spin our tying thread anti-clockwise. I'm going to use some trout line. This one's squirrel hybrid dubbing, very good in yellow. And we just split our tying thread. It's important that you split your thread here and not just dub it on. Yeah, I find it gets much spikier and nicer. So all we need here is just a little bit. We'll thin it out once it's spun up. No more than that. Spin that up. A little bit too much there. Pull those out. That's excellent. And then we just go like this, pull everything back and up. That's good. And we need our wing. A couple of CDC, natural CDC hackles. Pull this through. There we are. That's perfect. A couple more turns. Trim off that down to the hook eye and work our way up. We need a foundation here for the hackle, So we've got back into the wing. That's good, that's looking perfect. And we need a tiny bit more dubbing, hardly anything at all. This we can just put on like this. And we just go in front of the wing. What we need now is a yellow grizzle hackle. I'll spin my thread clockwise. To tie this in, oops, coming into the wing there. To tie this in 90 degrees from the hook shank. And this is you want this to lie as a traditional dry fly hackle. Move our thread forward. What I like to do here is just to put one whip finish in, and take our hackle. Now this hackle should be a little larger than you would normally use for a size 12, because we want this to, when it's trimmed, to support the whole fly really, along with the tail. Secure it there. Remove the hackle. Tiny drop of varnish on the tying thread. And whip finisher again. So, remove our tying thread. Turn the fly upside down. And what we want to do is trim off all the hackle flat underneath. There we are, there's the finished sulphur done. It's a great pattern, sits beautifully in the surface when the duns are on. And if you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.